Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to wrap text. So as example, I will create text in these cells. You can type Microsoft Excel wrap tutorial. Now if you want to wrap this text, you can select, right click, and then you can go to format cells. The next, click on alignment. And then you can check for the wrap text. Click OK, and the text will be automatically wrapping. You also can increase the columns like this to view the wrap, and you can set for the alignment. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to wrap text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.